What's going on, everybody? Josh, starterraingutterbusiness.com. Today we got some downspout retrofitting and some changing around we're doing. So come check it out. All right, so what we got going on here, we have quite a bit of water going towards this rain chain, and that is causing some problems with their post, settling of the concrete, just kind of a bad spot for water right next to the edge of the concrete there. And the grade is not great, especially back in that corner. So we did some problem solving with the customer. This is what we ended up with. Just kind of wanted to share with you guys what we're doing. So we have this whole front gutter coming around. What we're gonna do is neck down. They like the rain chain, the look of it and kind of how it functions, except for where the water goes. So what we're gonna do is put in 2 plates of metal in there and just basically neck down the water to where not much is going down the rain chain, and dump the rest of it into that lower gutter, come across, and then we're converting this 3-inch round downspout to a 4-inch round downspout. So just wanted to show you guys how I would do that. How I'm gonna do that. So we'll start by just taking this old one off. And what we're gonna do basically is use my outlet for a 4-inch one, put it on there, trace around it. We're gonna have to tin snip it because you can't hole saw through a existing hole. And see how that turns out. Some good glue. Okay, so I got my outlet here. I custom made this one because I only need one for this job. So definitely speeds up if you order these, but so I just put it up where I want it. Make sure it's like pointed plumb down, and then just trace the inside of it. And then you can use basically tin snip your Sharpie off in it. They usually fit pretty good. Okay, it's kind of hard to retrofit these into the bigger size with snips, so I always kind of mar it up a little bit. What I do is just paint pen, at least on black. The paint pens match pretty good with black. Paint pen all my little tin snip marks. Makes these things go away. And there you have it, retrofitted 4-inch downspout. Gives all, there's 4 roofs going into this one spot. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 roofs going into this one downspout. So just trying to get that downspout will handle about 2,000 square feet of roof, which is plenty for this. So good to go. Now we're just gonna put a little, I don't know, I'm thinking just 2 sheets of metal like slid into that chain, riveting them in and gluing them just to kind of block some of the water, and then knock that end cap out. We'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next one.